Hi, this is my preamp Art Professional 2, and today I have a problem with this. Okay, I will put this tube voltage high switch to on. Okay, and then I will speak to microphone for a while. Hello, hey, test. Hello, test. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You see that? If you notice the preamp tube meter, gain is up and freeze all the time. And when I speak into this mic, the sound will very distortion. And I noticed that when I turn off the function, this function tube voltage high, this function. When I turn off and wait a moment, this problem will be disappear. Okay, just try. Hello, test. Okay. Okay. Yeah. This problem gone. And try it again. Okay. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I will talk a bit louder. Hello. 1. Yeah, okay. This problem come. Why? Hello. Very distortion. Okay, just turn off this. Wait a minute. Yeah, gone. This problem gone. How to fix this? What the problem? What caused this problem and how to fix it? Please help me. Thank you.